Welcome back to Technology Trends. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most powerful flagships yet. With a revolutionary silicon carbon battery, variable aperture 200 megapixels camera, and Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, it looks amazing. But there's one key flaw we need to talk about. Rumors detail a slimmer profile with 6.9-inch 3000 nit dynamic AMOLED 2X display and improved IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. We may also see an under-display selfie camera, though that's still up in the air. The main 200 megapixel sensor returns, but now with variable aperture, f1.4 f4.0, for superior low light and depth control. It'll run on Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Exynos 2600, depending on the region, bringing faster processing and power efficiency. Expect a silicon carbon battery offering up to 5,500 mAh, or even 6,000 mAh, without increasing the size of the phone. Plus, Samsung is adding a 65W wired fast charge, up from the S25 Ultra's 45W. One heartbreaking flaw: Samsung may not upgrade the 200 megapixel primary sensor on the Galaxy S26 Ultra next year. The S26 Ultra packs striking upgrades, better battery materials, camera tech, AI chip, and design. But without a real battery charging bump? That's a missed opportunity. I'll be watching closely through testing, because battery and charging define everyday usability. What do you think? Are you forgiving if the battery, messaging specs stay the same, or is Samsung falling behind? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full review once the phone is in hand.